This is a machine manufactured by Sri Rajaram Agro Industry Private Limited, which is located in Bikaner, Rajasthan, and providing the groundnut decorticator machines with a capacity of 1000 per kg per hour. In these machines, you can sell all the types of the groundnuts without any brokerage, and we are providing in these machines one the graders and one is the cleaner. You will receive the finance product after this processing from these machines. The quality of the machines is the very high and the durables of the lives. These machines can be used in single phase and three phase. Both the models we have available. This is a very useful machine for the customer which want to process the groundnuts. Thank you. Sri Rajaram Agro Industry.